Let's see how to pair a Cephlon device with your mobile. Open your Wi-Fi settings. If you see a network with the name Cephlon, it means the device is powered correctly. Launch the Cephlon application. Tap Create New Network to begin setup. Name your network. Type your Wi-Fi name, which is case sensitive. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Now, click on Save button. Open network you created. Click the Add icon to initiate device pairing. Select the Cephlon device to pair. In my case, I'm pairing pen module. Once paired, go back to the Devices section. Here you can control your home appliances. Now let's see how to customize this panel. Click on Edit button. Rename your device for easier identification. Customize the names of your buttons for better organization. Now, click on Save button. For more such tutorials, you can check out our channel.